Hi, I'm Doug. I'm the founder and creator of Magnfi, video testimonials made easy. I want to share with you today on how to select the right people to start getting video testimonials from. First thing to do is think about the top 3 primary market demographics you serve. 2 clients in your bread and butter, the clients that really bring it in for you. Then think of one that's in your area you really want to expand in, but you haven't done a lot of work in yet. That way you have clients talking about your bread and butter product and service that keep the sales coming in while you work to grow the other area you really want to expand in. When you find those people, ask them to talk specifically on a particular entry-level pain point within that industry. The idea is that when your potential client views that video testimonial, they'll be able to identify with that person who is similar in their field and give them that aha moment, the hey, these guys could actually solve my problem moment. There is nothing better than another person talking about how your product or service made their life better. I hope you found these quick tips to be helpful. Thanks so much for watching.